Every journey begins in isolation, a quiet space where potential gathers and the self is defined away from the noise of the world. This period of solitude is not merely an absence of others, but a necessary crucible for forging internal strength and clarity of purpose. As the chosen one emerges, the focus shifts from internal reflection to the external application of newfound wisdom and decisive action. Sovereignty is the next phase, where the individual no longer seeks validation but instead commands their own path with absolute authority. By mastering their environment and aligning actions with core values, the individual transforms from a seeker into a true architect of destiny. The final transition marks the end of the formative stage, signaling a readiness to lead and influence the world with unshakable resolve. Ultimately, the journey from isolation to sovereignty proves that true power is found when one fully embraces the responsibility of their own life.